Hello dear students, now we will discuss about neutralization reaction. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. And the products formed are salt and water. Okay, that is salt and water are produced in the process with the evolution of heat. That means the heat is evolved in this reaction. So, when an acid is reacting with base, you will be getting salt and water. So, for example, if we take the acid, hydrochloric acid, and the base we are taking sodium hydroxide. So, when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, we get sodium chloride and H2O. H2O is water. NaCl is sodium chloride. Okay, that means sodium chloride is a salt and what H2O is water. So sodium chloride plus water is obtained. That means when an acid like HCl is reacting with a base like sodium hydroxide, we will be getting salt like NaCl plus water. So in this reaction, heat is evolved. So now let us discuss some importance of neutralization reaction in everyday life. We can use this neutralization reaction in the treatment of acidity of soil. Okay, if the soil become more acidic, we will be neutralize it with a base like lime. Okay, lime is calcium hydroxide, you know that. So for normal growth of plants, soil needs to have a particular pH value. Sometimes the neutral pH of soil gets disturbed due to the different reasons like acid rain and excessive use of fertilizers. So that time, when the soil is more acidic or more basic, it need to be neutralized for the better growth. If the soil is acidic, it is treated with a base like we will be using calcium hydroxide, as I said, lime. Okay, and if the soil is basic, what we will do? We will be adding some acidic substance to neutralize it. Clear? So, for the treatment of acidity of soil, this neutralization reaction is utilized. So, as I said, when the soils are too acidic due to acid rain we have already discussed. Okay, then it can be treated with slaked lime, chalk or quicklime. All are alkalis or basic in nature. So in neutral soils, plants and crops grow better. Okay, so the next importance of neutralization reaction is treatment of factory waste. Okay, so this reaction can be used in the treatment of factory waste. Okay, liquid waste from factories is often acidic in nature. If it reaches the soil, it will destroy and kills sea life. Neutralizing the waste with slaked lime can be prevent this. That means to avoid pollution of the rivers from the factory waste, and it is in acidic in nature, so we will be adding some base. Clear? As you all know, in the ant it is present acid. Which acid is present in ant stinch? Yes, formic acid. Is it? Yes. And if an ant stench is there, then the stench of an ant contains formic acid, which causes the pain or inflammation in some cases. Is it? To get relief from ant stench, the acid is neutralized by a base like sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. So if you just apply a pinch of baking soda over there, then the pain will be reduced, because that acid over there will be neutralized with this baking soda, that is the base. Okay, or we can use zinc carbonate, or the calamine lotion is there, no, calamine, lactocalamine and all. So these are the base, okay, used against ant stench. But instead of this ant stench, if it is a wasp stench, wasp stench are alkaline in nature, that means they are basic in nature. So neutralize them, we use the acids such as vinegar. Okay, so if there is a wasp stench, if you use baking soda, that will be more dangerous, is it? So that wasp stench itself is a base, so we have to apply some acid over there like vinegar. And what about the bee stench? Bee stench are acidic in nature, so neutralize them, we use alkali such as baking soda. If it is an ant stench or a bee stench, we can use a base like baking soda. But to neutralize the wasp stench, we will be using an acid like vinegar. So to prevent the tooth decay also, we use the neutralization reaction. The bacteria present in mouth produces acids which led to tooth decay. Tooth decay is prevented by brushing the teeth with the toothpaste which contains base, resulting in the neutralization of acids, thus preventing the cavities. Clear? And another important thing is indigestion. Of us often happens like that, our stomach become acidic and some indigestions will happen there. Why it is so? See, as we have said, in our body, in our stomach, it is having hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is already there, but if it become excess, if the too much acid is produced in the stomach, that causes indigestion. So excess of acids can be removed using the base. So acidity in stomach is normal, but excess of acidity is harmful. Okay, hope you understood what is neutralization. When an acid reacts with the base and they cancel out together is called a neutralization. The common neutralization examples which are common in our daily life are: too much acid in the stomach causes indigestion, lime is spread on the soil to neutralize the acids, alkali like baking soda is used to neutralize bee stench, acids like vinegar is used to neutralize wasp stench. And in the factories also, there are excess of acids. To neutralize that, we use some bases. So these are the very important neutralization reactions in everyday life. Hope it's clear for you. Thank you.